Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Fashion Wizardry here, aka Matilda, and today I'm gonna show you the quickest hack, literally the quickest hack on planet Earth, I think. Today I'm going to be showing you how to turn a plain piece of fabric into a dress in literally under a minute. No sewing involved, no shenanigans, it's just straight up tie it around your body and you have a dress. I do recommend getting stretchy fabric for this. I have tried this with like stiff fabric. It doesn't work quite as well. It works with really, like, make sure it's really stretchy such that you can tie it around, because that's the hack that makes it look like a dress. And yeah, without any further talking, let's just get right into the video. This is 2 yards of fabric for anyone who's wondering, I think. I'm actually not sure, but yeah. Anyway, enough blabbering, let's get straight into this video.